make pizza. Yes, pizza is a great favorite of our family. If you're used to making pizza, you can make a Pizza Hut or a Domino's store at your house with your family. Yes, pizza is like your art canvas. You can add any toppings to your pizza as long as it is good, tasty and edible. Yes, so let's stop talking and start having our pizza. The ingredients we need for this recipe are 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of yeast, 3 tablespoons of milk powder, 3/4 cup of water, a chopped tomato, onion and green capsicum, 3 spoons of olive oil, 400 grams of mozzarella cheese, pizza sauce. Optionally, you can add oregano, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. The utensils we need is a pan. We couldn't show it, so please forgive us. A bowl, spoons, a fork, and a glass. First, preheat the oven 180 degrees Celsius. Now we're going to add 2 cups of flour. Okay, the flour is in. Now time to add the milk powder. I have a question for you. Do you like milk or milk powder more? Tell to us in the comment section down below. Now we're going to add the salty salt. Sorry we couldn't show you how we are adding the salt because the salt container is covering the spoon. Such a bad guy. Now we're going to mix the amazing yeast in a glass of water. Adding the sugar. And it's time to stir. You know, yeast is so amazing. A bacteria can do that? Incredible! See how fluffy the yeast made it? It's super fluffy. I was marveled when I saw this first. Uh-oh. Little mixing trouble here. Anyway. After that long mixing, we are adding the yeast solution. Yes, the last one went in. Now time to roll up your sleeves and time to make it into a doughy mixture. Scrunch it all up and make it into a lovely dough. We're adding a little bit of olive oil to make it easier. Now time for a long wait. We're making it shorter for you guys. Now we're going to cover the yeast with a transparent foil paper. Make sure that all the edges are tight. We have to let it set for 2 hours. And here's the reveal. Oh my god, yeast, you have outdone yourself this time. Now it's time to grease the pan with olive oil. Let's rub it in smoothly. Then we have to place the dough on the pan and spread it till it reaches the edge of the pan. It should look like this at the end. Next we have to take a fork and poke on the dough. Can you see those marks done by the fork? It's like 4 dots appearing every second. It's time to spread the pizza sauce on the dough. If you don't have pizza sauce, you can easily make it at home. Just blend tomato ketchup, salt and pepper, and there you go. You have your own pizza sauce. Have you ever had a pizza without cheese? I haven't. It's time to add the vegetables: tomato, green capsicum, and onion. Now it's time to use your creativity. You can add anything you want on the pizza to spice it up. In goes all the toppings. Now we are going to give an extra layer of cheese. One escape. And there goes another one.
I'm gonna steal this cheese.
For an extra boost, we are going to add a few drops of pizza sauce. Do they look like pepperoni slices? We've reached the time for baking. For your safety, you have to wear protective gloves.
Why? Because you're obviously gonna burn your hand.
Anyway, let's get back to baking. For the first bake, you have to set the timer to 10 minutes and the heat should come from the bottom. And it should be set to 200 degrees Celsius, not Fahrenheit. For the second bake, it is also 10 minutes, but the heat should come from the top and the bottom, and it should be at 200 degrees Celsius.
Now let's wait patiently.
It's time of the suspense. Will it turn good or bad? The pizza is ready!
That looks gorgeous.
Time to eat!
The pizza is ready. And now for the pizza taste. Drum roll, please. Excellent. Yes, I hope you try out this pizza and maybe your house can be the new Pizza Hut of your locality.
And please click the subscribe button
And press the notification bell so that you will know when we upload